I'm Frank Jobins, telling you what's happening around the world. New 2024 made in Ghana Kantanka car prices and their names. Kantanka Automobile is Ghanaian car manufacturing company in Ghana, West Africa. Products range from high-quality cars with built-in resistance to tough terrains, to latest clean energy technologies such as electric cars. The first Kantanka vehicle was manufactured in 1994 as the company has taken off since then, exploring various means to increase driving and affordability comforts of the average Ghanaian. Mass production began in 2016 with the company setting up its first showroom in 2018. It currently enjoys mass support and usage across West Africa with patronage cutting across social classes. Here's the top 10 Kantanka 2024 price list. Number 1 is Kantanka Bulletproof Bullion Van. Price estimate is 305,000 Ghana cedis, which is 26,271 United States dollar. For Kantanka Automobile Company, it is poised to meet the local demand as evinced in their tech exhibitions where defense vehicles, among others, have been exhibited for the past 3 years. Currently, 4 banks have so far engaged the local automobile firm to manufacture such vans for their operations. According to the chief executive of the Kantanka Group of Companies, it will be patriotic on the part of the banks to engage their services to shore up Ghana's economy. Bank of Ghana, BOG, in talks with Kantanka on production of armored bullion vans for banks. Number 2 is 2024 Omama pickup. The price is 257,000 Ghana cedis, which is 22,136 United States dollar. The front face of the new car is powerful and authoritative. 2024 Omama pickup adopts a borderless front air intake grille. The large size light sets on both sides combine to form an integrated design. The engine cover uses multiple mighty ribs. The whole machine cover gradually bulges toward the middle part, and then combined with the overpowering design of the front surround, the front of the entire car looks full of momentum. 2024 Omama pickup also has good power performance as a symbol of strength. It is equipped with Renault-Nissan 2.3T diesel and Honeycomb 2.0 GDI gasoline engines. The 2.3T diesel engine is jointly built by Renault, Nissan and has a power of 163 horsepower and a peak torque of 380 Nm. Number 3 is Kantanka Nura Katafuo, known as Kantanka Bugatti. Price estimate is 250,000 Ghana cedis, which is 21,533 United States dollar. Kantanka Automobile, a subsidiary under the Great Kausa network headed by its CEO Kwadwo Safo Jr., has released the 3D photos for their futuristic Kantanka Bugatti, which they would be bringing into the system soon. The designer Nana Kwaku Dennis Facebook shared photos of the Kantanka Bugatti Nura Katafuo on social media, and Ghanaians and some Africans are falling in love with it. The Kantanka Nura Katafuo is expected to come out in 2024. Number 4 is Kantanka Nura 3 Series. The price is 204,000 Ghana cedis, which is 17,571 United States dollar. The new Kantanka bulletproof Nura car is for the highly protected officials like the president, the governors, the senators, etc. Any good idea today has behind it a great man or team. True to that, there is a great man behind the Kantanka car invention. Number 5 is Kantanka K71. Price 180,000 Ghana cedis, which is 15,504 United States dollar. The K71 is a luxurious high-performance car that has top-notch features. If you are looking for comfort, class and safety, then this model is for you. The automobile is fitted with a rear camera view and energy-absorbing steering column, a front driver airbag, ABS EBD system and a 1.5cc engine capacity. Number 6 is Kantanka Omama 4x4 Blue. Price 150,000 Ghana cedis, which is 12,920 United States dollar. When Ghana-based automotive manufacturer Kantanka Automobile revealed the 2020 pickup truck, it was on the Twitter that the pickup truck was shown off by the CEO of Kantanka Group of Companies, Kwadwo Safo Jr. There he wrote that the new 2020 Kantanka Omama is designed to compete with pickup trucks like Toyota Hilux. The Omama has unique features including 7-inch monitor, 12 volts power outlet, AQ monitor, leather seats, radio, FM, AM, GPS system, Bluetooth and AC. Number 7 is Kantanka Okofo. Price 138,000 Ghana cedis, which is 11,886 United States dollar. This car comes with an effective climate control system that creates a friendly and comfy atmosphere. It has top-notch, relaxing and comforting interiors. The supportive leather seats have unique layouts that ooze a breeze of comfort. The automobile has an engine capacity of 2.4 multi-point injector MPI and comes with affordable fuel consumption of 10.3 liters. Number 8 is Kantanka Kensa. Price 130,000 Ghana cedis, which is 11,197 United States dollar. Kantanka Kensa is also an automatic saloon car which has 4,866 mm long body and 2,775 mm long wheelbase. It has an inductive ease open trunk with trunk size 510L large. The car offers a 2.4cc engine size with a 4-wheel independent suspension system. Kantanka Kensa is built to withstand the extreme African weather conditions, and it is equipped with full automatic air conditioner with PM 2.5 carbon filter. Number 9 is Omama Luxury. Price 120,000 Ghana cedis, which is 10,336 United States dollar. This car is special as it is built in a unique classic style. It is built to reduce operational and frequency costs. The car engine capacity is 1.9 turbocharged direct injector TDI and has a fuel consumption of 7.8 liters. Number 10 is Omama Standard 4x4. Price 105,000 Ghana cedis, which is 9,044 United States dollar. Fitted with a turbo diesel engine, the car has a capacity of 2.2cc and fuel consumption of 7.8 liters. The vehicle can cover 100 km per hour and has a wheelbase of 3,025 mm and a loading mass of 500 kilograms. The vehicle is designed to compete with popular pickup trucks, the Toyota Hilux and the Nissan Navara, which comes with an engine capacity of 2,500 cc. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. I'm Frank, thank you for watching.